Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to do some work on the charger again. Well, what I'm going to do is come in, just cut more of the excess off down through here, cut it over through here, and I'll come up and trim the stuff off to where we're just pulling little slithers out in the metal. Make it a lot easier than, plus we have never did one of these cars, so we wanted to dissect it a little bit and know where all the braces are. I know there's one here I had to cut shallow with, so can't get too carried away with that, but yeah, that's pretty much what we're going to do.
We did get the window assembly out of there.
Yep.
I think that's going to help out. There's one brace right in here, and then where the door jamb is, it comes in about right here.
Well, it's thicker through here than, I don't think it's anything you can go right up through there. But I'm going to cut it down here anyhow. Okay. All right, let's make some noise.
Play your mic off. Nobody wants to hear that crap.
Want to do what?
So that was the fastest I've ever seen a wheel burn.
Yep. Yeah, got that brace, but wasn't bad.
What'd you do? Got into the brace?
A little brace, yeah. Got a little bit, but ain't bad.
I think that's actually part of the quarter panel.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure it is. This is the brace.
And then we need to go come through the front and punch the holes out on that. I really can't see it.
Yeah, I'm almost positive that's made on the quarter panel.
Alrighty. I want you to pop a new wheel on. I'll come up through here and chunk this out.
Running out of wheels. There's several of them in there.
And I'll just come right through here and whack that off and.
Poor choice of words.
Well, only to the dirty-minded.
How's your truck coming, Dave?
Done.
Done.
Yeah.
Video uploaded? Dave?
Video? No.
Like I said, you got a brace right there, so.
Well, I'm gonna cut through here. Probably just cut right through there. Take this piece out. Yeah, it is. So let's go in here and take those out. And come in here and take all these out through here.
Well, that's the problem. They're in here.
Do what?
They're down through here,
Yeah.
and I can't get to them. Need to cut it off or at least cut it here.
Okay.
Probably just cut.
I can cut all that and leave that. We'll peel it off. You gotta watch that because that's part of it. That's part of this. It looks like.
Part of the quarter panel.
Huh?
Let me go look. I'm pretty sure it's part of the quarter panel. You want to look at it? Make sure.
Go ahead and look at it. Do what? That's why I thought that was part of the rest of it. All right, so we need a spot weld cutter and take that stuff off. Pull this out. I just nicked it. Where's that piece at?
Yep.
All right, guys, got it cut off. We were actually warned. I was warned, and I didn't think about it. And I did cut that inner brace off. I just went ahead and spaced it out the width of the cutoff blade and just put a couple tacks on it so we don't, excuse me, forget about when we put the quarter on. So once we get that on, if that's not in place, we'll do what we have to make it set right. So not a huge one, but yeah, just watch out for the hidden braces.
Yeah,
mystery.
I'm sure there's one up there, but I couldn't.
Oh, there's some up there. Just it's kind of rotted, so it's hard to. Tell. I think there's one right.
Yeah,
Right
right
there.
I had to guess probably one right there too. It's gonna matter a whole lot.
Yeah, I know.
All right, let me have that
Yeah, what?
drill.
Oh, you gonna do it back there?
No, I need this. I got. This crap makes me nervous. Oh,
What are you doing?
changing the tip out.
Oh.
I don't think I've used this one yet.
Yeah, black mark. I don't know how good you can tell where those are.
Huh?
He's here. I don't know if he had any. They tell where they're at from the inside.
It's so much better.
You know, spray a little WD-40 on those too.
Huh?
A little WD-40 every now and then, or some oil. Make that bit last a little bit longer.
Get it stuck.
Yep.
What a jackass. That's it.
You know what that means, right? Wasn't a weld there. See, looks like there's a braze weld there.
Oh, yeah, right here too, looks like.
Yeah. There's one weld there.
Looks like they threw on that one too.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure there's another one up there, and I can't see it.
Well,
You said there's some over here?
Yeah, here. Just tack them if you ain't got them already. With the 1/8 inch bit. One right there. Actually, might be two right there.
Nothing.
I think there's one like 1/4 inch to the right of it. Oh, coming through.
There's one right there.
Yep, right there. There.
Right there where my spot is.
Sorry, come through on the bottom.
What the heck? Is it down lower?
Yeah, let's put a bit of the crap out of it.
I think it's down lower.
Yeah.
Hard to see.
I don't know what's going on. Give me that dolly. Let's just revisit that. How's that? Take the cut off and let's go ahead and cut these welds right here so we can start pulling all that stuff out. Turn my microphone off so all right. Got most of the quarter remnants out. That was kind of a big pain in the butt, but that's all out now. We still have this piece here, but we're going to replace that because, as you can tell, it's junk. We still need to break this loose, take that piece off. Going to leave this on here, rebuild the hinges, put the door back on, line it back up to where it's supposed to be. That way our gaps are good before we take this piece off to put the new quarter on to make sure it's in the right spot. I got to do some outer wheel well repairs. So I'll just make a new section through there, make the whole back section over there for it. So not that big of a bad spot, I don't think, so I can make that pretty easy. And what we're going to end up doing is cleaning all this area right here, and it'll all get pour 15'd. The whole top, once we take the skin off, it'll all get pour 15 just to help preserve it. And we have to make some patches back here in the back. It's pretty rotted out all the way up in here on the back side, so I'll make patch panels for that. And then we're going to clean up the inside of the frame rails, pour 15 all that.
That's really the only bad spot. I mean, those
Both
two sides.
both, yeah, the ends of it are bad, so it's not that bad of a patch to make. So then I guess we're gonna put the trunk pan in, give it a test fit, and see how it does.
My gloves.
There you go on this side. So you gotta lean over the quarter.
Okay.
Yep.
Push your side upside. Oh, we're still catching there. Let's get your side back here. Oh, that piece of crap.
There, right now.
Can't. Pull it back out. I should have just cut that spot a little bit. Wire clips are catching. There you go. Pass it. That one's,
Man down.
yeah.
Yeah, pretty good fit.
So,
Nice and tight. Good up around the inner wheel wells. pretty decent fit there, besides where it got mutilated a little bit, but it's easy hammering that out. We will have to
I suck at this. On the new tripods with
yeah,
where it moves around on its own.
learning curves, but
Yeah.
But like I was saying, we will have to. This is still bowed in just a tad bit over here in this area. So more likely we'll just pull it out, put screws in it to hold it out when we go to assemble. Still need to straighten it out. It's got some waves in it, stuff like that. But
Yeah. And then here's where it's bad here on this side.
Yep.
This is coming off, so make it a little bit easier here.
yeah, well, they're getting both new corners.
And he's got new drop offs too. So.
Yep. Actually, we got one right here. We can pop up there.
Already bent it, didn't you?
No.
Good job.
Well, that's all got to be straightened out. It's bowed out. Yeah, it's bowed out like crazy, but yeah, we'll hammer that back up. No, I don't like that.
What?
Unless that's supposed to set all the way up like
supposed
that.
to go on the inside.
Okay. Yeah, as long as it's that way, we're good.
Yeah.
I thought it had to be all the way to the back.
No, you can see right here where it's
Okay.
pieces.
Yeah, so like I said, I'll make some patch panels for the outer wheel well and match it up to this.
Actually, I'm not real sure. Yeah, I guess it does kind of. Yeah, it goes right on the outside of that. Yeah. There. Sits right there on that.
Okay.
Well, it's coming along.
Yep. Slowly. Like I said,
Nothing
still have to get up there and make that piece there sometime soon.
well, this is a notice, Richard. We what do we need? What were we just talking about? Oh, the lizard skin.
Yeah.
We
Yep.
need that. And
Probably get some.
probably a couple small things at 415.
Yeah. Like I said, you might as well clean it all up when you're here.
This bracket right here, I think we were talking about having to replace it.
We definitely will.
Yeah. And there's something else I thought. Oh, well, we'll make a list.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, I think that's it for the night. What do you think, Dave?
Yep. That's it for me tonight. Need to get home.
All right.
See ya.